miss. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I need a late check-out today around 5 p.m. Is possible?
Our check-out is 12 p.m. I'm afraid 5 p.m. is too late for us. 2 hours for free.
Would you consider 2 p.m. instead? I really need a little more time.
I can offer you a complimentary extension until 2 p.m. That is our maximum free extension.
2 p.m. is a bit early. What if I pay a small fee? How much for 4 p.m.?
For 4 p.m., the fee is $40. Let's find a fair solution.
$40 is too much. I can only pay $25.
I agree to your proposal, 25 for checkout at 4 p.m. We have a deal.
Perfect, thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy